welcome back. So I've just continued on working on this mower deck. In the last video I had actually put some cables in to lift the deck up and down, and since then I've had to reroute the part of the exhaust pipe so we'd clear the pulleys, and now I'm just trying to get the deck actually installed properly. So I had to get this shaft made, which is for the electric clutch. The electric clutches from Extreme in the USA, they're supposed to be quite good, but time will tell. Hopefully it's going to work properly. So that shaft just pushes in. I had a washer made up, and then the other end of that shaft goes into the drive of the actual gearbox. So it goes from the motorbike engine chain drive to the car gearbox, and the input shaft of the gearbox is what this drives from. So you can just see it going in here. Hopefully my calcs are right and that the RPM works out, but I guess that experiment will be in the first test of mowing the lawn. It fit in pretty nice. You can see the work I've finished off in widening the body so I could get that clutch in and out without pulling the gearbox out. It's quite important for me to know what speed these cutters are doing, so what I did is I've got a little digital tacho or RPM meter. This is the magnet that I'll put on the idler wheel. The idler wheel is exactly the same diameter and number of teeth to the input shaft sprocket, so I put it on this idler so I can pick up the speed from there. There's just a little proximity, and then there's a fairly large digital readout that I'll have to make sure the speed is what I want it to be. So you can just see it positioned there with the prox on it, and that magnet turned out really good. So just getting to the mower deck here, I've welded on those little supports there for the cables to lift it up and down, and just sliding it under here to just check that I've got the pulley design right. So I'm going to have a number of pulleys. You can see here I've got it to go up and down really nice, and now I just need it to go round and round. I need to put a couple of stabiliser bars on it as well, because whilst it goes up and down real nice, I need to make sure it doesn't sway forwards or backwards. Here I'm just putting the pulleys on, which you can see. Mostly they're done. There is still one or two more I think I need to get this to work properly. So you can see it positioned here. Next up I'll put the stabiliser bars on, run the last couple of pulleys, and then it'll be finally time to see if it actually cuts the lawn. So it's been a stack of work. I'm really happy with the way this has turned out so far, but a bit more to go, so stay tuned.